Hey Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to Canva or just getting started with graphic design, today's video is perfect for you. We're going to create your first design in Canva step by step. Let's jump right in. Setting up your Canva account. First, head over to canva.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Canva homepage. Here, you can see various design types and templates to choose from. Choosing a template. For your first design, let's start with a simple social media post. Click on Create a Design and select Instagram Post from the drop-down menu. Canva will open a new window with a blank canvas and a variety of templates on the left side. Customizing your template. Browse through the templates and choose one that you like. Click on it to load it onto your canvas. Now, you can start customizing it. Click on the text boxes to edit the text. Change the font, size, and color to match your style. Adding images and elements. To make your design unique, add your own images. Click on the Uploads tab on the left and upload an image from your computer. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it as needed. You can also add elements like shapes, lines, and icons from the Elements tab. Saving and downloading your design. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and download it. Click on the Share button at the top right, then select Download. Choose your preferred file format, PNG is great for social media, and hit Download. Your design will be saved to your computer. And there you have it. You've just created your first design in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.